I'm Vicky Gould, Master Herbalist, Reiki Master, Sound Healer, Law of Attraction Practitioner, and owner of Life Changing Energy. As promised in a previous video about the 9 secret Solfeggio tuning forks, I'm going to go through what each of these different frequencies help you with one by one. So these are the tuning forks we are going to be talking about and going into more detail. We're going to go from all the way from this one, which is the soul purpose chakra, all the way through the main 7 chakras and ending with the pituitary chakra tuning fork. We're going to go one by one so I can share with you why these frequencies are so important and what they will do for you. All right, so let's get started. The first one is the 174 hertz. Now, all our tuning forks come with their own pouch and mallet, and this one is labeled Soul Purpose Chakra Merkaba Meditation. On this tuning fork, you'll see that it says Sky 174, and then it has our Life Changing Energy logo on the other side. Now, you can use these tuning forks any way that you want, wherever you feel called to place them, to listen to them, whatever you feel called to do. Use your intuition. You always want to make sure that you hit them on something soft and you don't clink them with each other. They are made of aluminum, which is easy to dent, but even if you dent them, they will still work just fine. You can also hit them on the palm of your hand. All right, so 174, what is this? It is the Soul Purpose Merkaba meditation about security and love. This is the lowest of the Solfeggio tones, and it is a natural anesthetic. It reduces pain physically and energetically. It gives your organs a sense of security, safety, and love, encouraging them to function optimally. And well, we all want that, right? The next one is the root chakra. This is 285 hertz. Now, we also have weighted chakra tuning forks in our store that are not Solfeggio. So don't get them confused. The Solfeggio forks in our store, there's 9 of them, and then the other ones have 7, and they are different frequencies. But back to this is 285 hertz. This is UT. This is the root chakra, vitality and courage. This is for restoration and tissue repair. This frequency sends a message directly to damaged organs so that they restructure, so they can be restored to their original state. And it influences energy fields. The next one is 396. Now you'll see how these numbers repeat themselves. If you go back to the video that I did about the history of Solfeggio tuning forks, you'll find out exactly why these happen to have these same numbers over and over again. So this is for the sacral chakra. It's Re, sacral chakra, Do, Re, Mi, that kind of Re. Creativity and relationship. This is liberating guilt and fear. This is an emotional release tuning fork. It helps to turn grief into joy. This frequency reaches into your bones and marrow and into your inner structure. It liberates the energy and cleanses this feeling of guilt. It releases the sound of strength and the sound of wholeness. This tuning fork enables you to achieve your goals in the straightest path, right? What's the shortest way to get from point A to point B? A straight path. So that's what this helps with. It removes any hidden blockages, subconscious negative beliefs, guilt, fear, and any kind of defense mechanism that keeps you from manifesting your desires. All right, next one, 417 hertz. This is Mi, Do, Re, Mi, right? Solar plexus chakra, balancing and understanding. undoing situations and facilitating change. That's what this one does. This Solfeggio tuning fork frequency helps to clear traumatic experiences and destructive influences from past events so that you can achieve your life goals. It removes blocks and negative feelings while energizing your cells so that you can move forward with changes that are needed in your life. Your identity is strengthened. Your stomach and digestive system, all these organs in this middle section of your body, will come back into alignment. Your cells are also encouraged to function in the most optimal way. Okay, now the heart chakra, which, like I said before, seems to be a lot of people's favorite one to work on. This is a 528 hertz. Fa. Love, healing, transformation, and miracles. This is also believed to be the DNA repair tone. This frequency is known as the love frequency. It removes negative energy and increases love and peace. It brings transformation and miracles into your life. It releases the frequency of miracles throughout your body. Everywhere your blood flows, miracles flow. It helps with increased energy, clarity of mind. It creates deep inner peace, activates your imagination. You get better sleep, opens the heart to heal, decreases stress, increases awareness and clarity, activates spiritual alignment, enlightenment, and allows you to operate at your highest and best good. A lot of stuff. Probably why a lot of people love that one so much. All right, next one. So 609. Oh, I'm sorry, 639. 639, throat chakra. This is willpower and communication, connecting and relationships. This Solfeggio frequency speaks to the wholeness of family. It helps people with relationship problems, whether with friends, families, partner, etc. It helps to promote understanding, tolerance, and love, and it brings together harmony and peace and even joy over distances. It's often used for these uppermost parts of the body and also encourages your cells to communicate with their environment. Okay, next up, we have La. All right, this is 741. Third eye chakra, intuition and knowledge. This tuning fork is good for expression and solving problems. This tuning fork helps remove blockages of self-expression, which help with emotional healing and solving problems. It cleanses toxins from the cells, thereby cleansing the immune system, and it is like the result of using the power of your self-expression is that you're going to have a healthier, simpler, pure, and stable life. This frequency also cleanses the cells from electromagnetic radiation. Now, if you are somebody who's like, well, I'm not really sure where my third eye is, just a little side note, this is how you figure out where your third eye is. You measure from here to here. Of course, you want to keep your mouth shut, right? And then you measure that same distance here. So you hinge a little bit, and this is where you find your third eye. Just a side note. Okay, next one, 852. All right, this one is for the crown chakra. This is guidance and spirituality, return to spiritual order. Oh, that feels so good. This Solfeggio frequency promotes unconditional love, which in turns helps return things to spiritual order. It releases healing into the brain, mind, and soul. It repairs damage in the mind and memory, helping to restore brain waves and function. It increases awareness and spiritual experiences, allowing you to see illusions in your life or people's hidden agendas. Okay, last but not least, 963. This is the pituitary chakra, universal connection, communication with the divine. This frequency When it's used, it creates a higher transformation of the cell, which creates cellular enlightenment. You will be aligned to the divine and higher dimensions. It helps to find the cause of problems and eliminate them, helping systems to return to their original perfect state. This Solfeggio frequency reconnects you to the spirit, allowing communication with the light, and enables direct experiences while returning to oneness altogether. Now you can see why these Solfeggio tuning forks are so important in sound healing, in emotional healing, physical healing, and in spiritual everything. So if you would like to grab a set of your own, go ahead and find these in my store. And if you need more background, want more history, check out the video where I go into detail about where all these different frequencies were discovered, because at one time they were lost to us and now we're lucky to have them back. See you later.